Hi guys, good morning. Okay, so if you are reading the newspaper Economics Times today, you will get a very important news. All right, there is a scenario where the Yes Bank voting right has been freezed by UP police. Right, even as Dish TV. Right, also by the Dish TV. So exactly what is this scenario? Okay, let's look have what happened. Sorry, Dish TV has taken a loan from the Yes Bank. Okay, when the Dish TV is not able to repay, Yes Bank took over some amount of approximately 24% shareholding in Dish TV, right? So, what exactly this is happening? The voting right, like there is a meeting of the board of directors. Okay, there is a board of directors meeting of Dish TV. So, there is a politics coming back in the news, alleged politics that the promoter who has just 6 to 9% shareholder want to replace a yes man. Okay, yes man on the post of directors. The same with the Yes Bank also. They think that if there is a wrong person on the director post, then we will lose our money also, right? So you are getting the things like understand these two bio means taken a loan from the Yes Bank. They failed, so Yes Bank took over some holders shareholding, right? Okay, and the Dish TV is merged with Videocon. Okay, so these are the scenario, both are the merged. Okay, so they have so why this is a so the Yes Bank went into High Court. Okay, went into High Court, Allahabad High Court. What happened? The court refused to give writ. These are the writ, right? By the Article 226, High Court can give a writ to any parties, right? But there was a lack of something evidence or these all the things, so High Court denied it, right? Prima facie, there was a lack evidence on the prima facie. So what happened? This High Court denied to give writ, right? So now the case will go into the Supreme Court. So this case is very important because this will means what? This will take a very important point. Okay, from the by the Supreme Court. Like the you understand there are many companies in India that have failed. Okay, they have failed to repay, failed to repay their loans. Then what the banks are doing? Banks are taking hold over their share. So that's why this is very important thing. Okay, this case will be decided now by the Supreme Court, and this will be a very important case. Okay, this will be a very important cause for the future cases, right? This case will be the ground ground case, right? For any further cases regarding ledger and debtor. What is all the case about? This is all the case for ledger versus debtor, right? Have a great day, guys. Wish you good luck. Thank you.